I think I'm going to name this video how to earn 6 figures from free work. Now, this is not to say you're going to earn 6 figures from free work, but it sounds catchy. So cue the intro. So yes, guys, like I always say, this video is sponsored by me. So go check out my digital store. You can download my lots for dark and light skin tones. You can also download my retouching essentials pack, which consists of 14 amazing actions that you can use to retouch your work. You can retouch faster and better. And also I have freebies there. I have a free eyes and teeth whitening action, and I also have free frequency separation action. So you guys should definitely go check that out. So how do you earn a lot of money from free work? How's that even possible? I was going to say something. How's that possible? So how is it possible to earn a lot of money from free work? And there is a technique to that. And this whole thing I was reading somewhere online, someone named it Freemium. I'm just going to put that here. I think it sounds really cool. Freemium. So let me stop messing around. So recently, a guy that I've worked for a while, or I've worked with for a while, reached out to me and said, look, my company wants to do something and they have this idea in their mind, and we have this idea, so we would like to pitch it to like our bosses, but we personally in our department do not have a lot of money to do this thing. So how much are you going to charge us? So I said, you know what, if I just charge you guys to do this, that was just my head, me talking to myself, then you guys are going to go ahead, show your bosses, and by the time they approve, you can go with whoever you want to go with. So I said, you know what, I'm just going to do this for free for you guys, since this is what you want to use to pitch to your bosses to do this project. So I'll do 2 videos for free for you guys, and if I do those 2 videos, when you guys pitch, if they approve it, I want you guys to give me the project. So it was like, okay, cool, that works. And we had a gentleman's agreement, and we went ahead, we did it. After a couple months, the boss approved it, and we are about to do the project. So that's how the whole free to fee thing works. That's how the whole freemium, I'm going to put that again here, freemium. Bamboo can do that, right? Yeah. That's how it works. That's how the whole freemium thing works. That's how free to fee works. You can reach out to clients and say, look, I have a particular project that I feel like is going to work for you guys in mind. It's like a proposal, creating a proposal and sending it to people. I have something I think will work very well for you guys, or it's going to do this, it's going to do that, it's going to do that for you guys. But at the end of the day, I do not want a situation where I'm just pitching something to you people. I want to come in and do something small for you guys for free, so you guys would understand how amazing this thing that I am talking about is going to be. And if you guys love it after that, then fine. What I'm going to do is, after delivering the project, or when delivering the project, I'm going to deliver the project with like my fee to work on like more projects like this. Now, I know this is not going to work too well for individuals, but you can try it with individuals too. It's going to work more for like corporate organizations, government organizations. Just reach out to them and say, look, I have something in mind that I feel is going to be amazing for whatever you guys are trying to do, or for this thing that you guys are trying to do. And I'm not just going to talk about it. Like I said, let me come do something really small for you guys for free. If you guys love it, then you guys can pay me to go ahead and make this project come to life. That's how free to fee works. You have to understand though that there is a negative side to this, and the negative side is you are not going to get work all the time, but there's still a positive spin to that, and that is the fact that you are going to have more content, you're going to have more things to add to your portfolio that you can use to pitch for other jobs. Now, I'm not saying you should do this every single time. I'm not saying every time you have an idea in your head or you find a company, you should just pitch to them for free. Some companies will reach out to you and say they want to do this or they want to do that. Just go ahead and do work for them. But for the most part, always calculate the move and see how it's going to pay off. If you feel like there is the risk of doing this for a company is relatively low, then go ahead and do it. Sometimes some companies do not even pay attention to people that are reaching out to work with them, but with the moment they see free in there and they go through your portfolio and they see that you have really nice stuff in your portfolio, then their eyes light up and they want to see what you can offer them for free. And from there, the thing you can do is just get your leg through the door. So you can just look for a company that you're really interested in working with, offer something really small, as long as it's free. It can be a company that is into makeup, they create makeup products and you're a beauty photographer like I am, offer them something. Okay, I'm going to shoot something you can put on your social media for free. I'm going to give you the rights to be able to use it on social media for a year, or whatever. Just give them something for free and tell them that, oh, okay, if you guys love this thing, at the end of the day that I'm going to do for you guys for free, then you guys can pay me a certain amount to continue doing this for you. So it also works as something you can do for content creation for a number of people, a number of companies. The possibilities are infinite, trust me. I feel like presenting something free to somebody at the beginning is just there's so much incentive in that for the most part almost nobody turns down free stuff. And like I said, if your work is really, really good and they see your portfolio and they see that you're offering something to them for free, then it's just a way of getting your leg into the door. Now, I'm not saying you should go outside and shoot for free. Don't get it twisted. I'm not saying, someone's reaching out to you for a job and they are offering, if you do this for us for free, then we're going to pay you in the next one. No, make sure you are in control of everything. Make sure you're the person that is in control of going to meet them and telling them that, look, I'd like to do this small thing for you guys at first for free. Don't say small, but just say, this is what I can do for you guys. So you guys will just see what I can bring at the end of the day if you guys decide to give me this job. I think this works very well when you are the person that is proposing to the client and not the other way around. A client that is coming to meet you that already knows what you can do and they know what they are going to gain from you coming to meet you and telling you to do stuff for free is probably just that client that's trying to use your head. But and when my clients came to meet me for this particular job, they wanted to pay. They offered to pay for me to do a small part of the project for them to show their bosses. And I just felt like, they can go anyways. They can decide to go with me at the end of the day. They can decide to go with somebody else at the end of the day. But if I can say, okay, I'm going to do this for free for you guys without earning a dime now, and when they approve the project, you guys should look for every way possible to go with me. If I can do that for them, then I feel like, it's not like I am 100% guaranteed to get the job, but I have put my leg, way deeper than any other person to get the job. I hope you guys get what I'm saying. So yeah, that's how to go from free to fee. So you can just reach out to companies, reach out to organizations, reach out to company and organizations. I do not the same thing, but you guys get the whole idea. Reach out to corporate organizations and say, this is what we can do for you guys. It can be headshots, it can be anything. There's like I said, the possibilities are infinite. But if they are reaching out to you first to do a free job with the option of paying for later jobs, just know that it's almost bull. You guys get it when they do that. But just make sure you're in control of everything. And yeah, that's it. So you guys should definitely try out the freemium route and let me know if it's something that is going to work for you. I know it has worked for me, and it's something that I'm going to try out a few more times for other projects, especially when I'm the person that is pitching to most of these organizations to do projects for them. Just give something, just a little bit. I'll shoot one headshot or 3 headshots for you guys. You guys get it? Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Have an amazing day. Peace.